and we're back. This time I'm going to show you how to create a Green Lantern inspired logo. Let us start with this color. Just copy the hex code if you want to use the same. Click on OK. We'll activate the rectangle tool and use the color as a fill. We don't want to have a stroke. Hold shift to have a perfect rectangle and we will center it properly. What we now need is an ellipse. So I'll activate the ellipse to go to the center position. I'll hold shift and alt and then I drag one. And I'll make the fill color white. Now we will create the inner ellipse that will be green again. Once again, ellipse tool, go to the center position, hold shift and alt and drag it. Now press I for the eyedropper tool and we will give it the green color. Make sure it's selected. Go to edit, copy and paste in place and then hold shift and alt to resize a new ellipse that was pasted on top and we will make that white. Now maybe I'll make it a bit smaller. Like so, and I'll make the green one a little bit smaller as well. Now that looks better. What we now need is the rectangle tool. Go to this intersection and then drag it so that it is as big as the circle and then put it in the center position. Afterwards move it upwards to your intersection. And then let's make it a bit smaller, hold alt so that it sizes down to the left and right in the same proportions. I'll copy it by holding alt and dragging copy out of it and I'll place it in the proper position at the bottom. And once more I'll move it down to the intersection. And that's it. You can now group it, right click and group to move it around, or you could use the shape builder tool to connect the shapes. But you don't necessarily have to. And that's it. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.